Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Dinky. I love very colorful makeup, I love indie makeup, and I love color stores that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, if you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. But if you don't subscribe, I will buy whatever you like and then I'll wave it in front of you like a little bully in like elementary school, you know, like, oh, I gotta eat it. So, yeah. Today we're gonna be going over a bunch of my purchases this past month. I went kind of heavy. I was like, I'm a married bitch now. I'm gonna buy things. So I did. And a lot of things at that. It's not my whole order. I will pop up some things that I ended up getting but are not here yet up here. But yeah. So if you want to see what I've like picked up over the past little bits, then let's get into this thing. To start this thing, I'm going to talk about the brand that I used in my opening. It is Dieverune. We don't really know how to say it, so I guess this is like pickers choosers type situation. But I got 3 things from them. I got their highlight palette, which is this one right here. It is called Dewdrops. I have been loving this so far. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. I am not wearing it today, but I absolutely love and adore this so incredibly much. I also picked up their newest launch, which is Smitten here. I have a video up on it doing 2 looks. I will link that down below. I absolutely love and adore this one. This is so stunning. I have some swatches in that video. I just freaking adore this one. It is so stunning. It's just, oh my gosh. And this is my first palette from them. It was such a good introduction to this brand too. I really love it. I want to go in and play with this a tad bit more and do a whole pink look, okay? I'm surprised I didn't with this palette, which is surprising because like pink is like my favorite color and it's like my go-to eyeshadow color. So I'm really surprised that I didn't, but yeah, I love this one. I'm super excited to play with this one more. I also got one more from them, which is their Gloomy Gardens palette, the one that I used in my intro. I have had my eyes on this bad bitch for a very long time, and this is what she looks like. You look at this, and if you know anything about me, you know anything about my style, my makeup inspiration, you know that I love Bog Witch, I love witchy stuff, I love like Shrek. God, it's such a fun spectrum there, but this just, it fills that little like witchy, cottagecore, Shreky, whatever vibe you want to fill. This fills that, and I love it so much. I'm so excited to play with this a lot more. I'm going to be popping this into my regimen, my schedule. I'm super excited to play with this. It's just freaking gorgeous, and like Dieverune has such an amazing formula, so if you've not picked up anything from them yet, I totally and utterly recommend them. They're amazing. Next, I ordered something from Blend Bunny. Actually, I think the Blend Bunny stuff was the stuff that I got first. But it's just kind of been sitting in the box because I was like, when I opened the Dieverune package, I was like, we're playing with that first. This was actually the first package that I got with my new last name, so sentimental. But I got a couple things from them. They had a sale going on, and then I think I plopped on a couple codes, but I can't remember what ones I used. But I got a couple things here. I got their Sugar High tinted lip oil. I think this is in the blue one. Yeah, it looks like this. I'm super excited for it. I'm not gonna lie. This is in Sugar Spun. I'm not gonna swatch it right now just because like I don't know where my wipes are. But I'm super excited to use this. It's gonna be super gorgeous. I'm super excited for that. Next, I got their cleansing balm. I'm super excited for this. I love a good cleansing balm. I've been using the Beauty Bay one for like the longest time now, and I really want to expand it and talk about them in a video with you about what ones I think are worth it, which ones I think suck, or you know, whatever it ends up being. But yeah, I'm super excited to use their Unveil cleansing balm. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of cleansing balms, and I'm really excited to see what they end up going in with their like skincare stuff coming up. It also came with this little thing right here. It is some, I'm pretty sure, yeah, some reusable makeup wipes, like whatever, you know, like little cotton pads. They have their little name on it. I'm super excited to use these, and then I'm pretty sure you can plop these in here when you're, you know, washing your shit. And then I picked up this set of brushes from the Lens X Blend Bunny collection. I did end up picking up the palettes though, maybe at some point, but right now they're just not intriguing me. Like I said, maybe at some point they will, but I ended up getting all of these. I'm super excited to use these and dive into these and play with these. You know, I love a good brush. I really love Unearthly's, and I'm trying to branch out in my brush collection. And then I picked up the plastic palette, which I think if you know anything about me, you're going to be like, but there's a bunch of neutrals in there, girly. You're not a neutral girl. I know. That's why I got it, to test my limits. But I'm also like, look at this. And I'm like, look at that, you know? I'm super excited to play with this, so I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I love the smaller palette from them. I want them to explore this a lot more. Yeah, I'm just super excited to play with this one. It's so pretty. I have it coming up at some point. And then the other day, I just ordered the Beauty Below palette, this one right here. I'm super excited to play with that. I love mermaids. As I think Lore was a really difficult, why did I say difficult like that? Difficult palette for me to play with, just because like it was so like monochromatic, but I'm super excited to get this one and play with it, and I think I'm gonna pair it with the Lore palette, and we're gonna just do a bunch of stuff with that. We're gonna have a good mermaid summer. I'm super excited. Do you want to do mermaids with me? We can be mermaids. You can have a blue tail or pink tail and sparkles. We can have a good mermaid time. I'm just super excited for that though. It's I also have this order from GLAMANTRIX. It was their like mystery box, something along those lines. I have not tried them before, and I'm super excited to try them. I'm pretty sure it's still in Miami at the moment, and I don't know when I'm gonna get it. It's still trying to clear clearance, so we'll see about that. But yeah, I'm super excited to play with all this stuff. I can't remember exactly what's in it right now, and I don't have my iPad to like check because I film on my phone and whatnot, but I'm super excited. I will put up here what is in that collection, like what's in that box and all that good stuff, and you'll end up seeing it when I end up putting it up and, you know, getting it at some point. But you know, we are going to be nice to our postal workers. They go through a lot, especially here in Minnesota when they are delivering our shit in negative 20-degree weather. So I will be patient, even though it's not negative 20 degrees here, but I will have patience because I'm an adult, and why are we getting mad at other adults for shit we can't control and shit that they can't control? You know? Let's grow up. Act our ages. I digress. But anyways, we're moving on. I have some stuff from Unearthly. I'm super excited. Unearthly is one of my top favorite brands. I love them. I adore them. Oh, they make me so happy. There's one palette that I don't think that is in here, because I don't know when they're going to, you know, send that out. It should be soon though. It should be soon. We'll have it by like sometime. We'll see. But I have, it got split into like multiple different packages and orders over like different time spans, like just kind of depending on like pre-orders. I think they had some stuff going on too, and launches. But my first package here is, I'm pretty sure, 3 lip products. I think so. I don't know. But I got these 3 bad boys, so we're just gonna talk about them and look over them. I got the satin liquid lipstick, a lip gloss, oh, and a glitter thing. Okay, we're gonna start with the satin liquid lipstick. I love this packaging. I love Unearthly's packaging, but I love their little pinup stuff the most. Okay, like, I want to be a pinup girl. Oh my god. This is the shade Mandy. I love this. If you know anything about me, you know that I love a nasty, disgusting baby shit, yellow green, okay? And this falls into that category, and I'm so excited to put this on. This would go really good with this lip, but I'm gonna end up wearing this to work, and I don't know if I'm gonna be allowed to wear this one to work, but bitch, be prepared to see this a shit ton. I'm super excited for that. And then I got a lip gloss. I love the packaging, like I said earlier. It's incredible. This one is in moss. Oh my gosh, like this one will be perfect with this look too. But this is gonna be so perfect and pretty for summer. I would be swatching this, but I right now am kind of in a tum crunch because I have to go eat lunch before I go to work. Ignore my bra. I see you judging it. Back off. And then I got their glitter, their Glimmer Grasp. I have never used a glitter primer or anything like that. So I'm really excited to use this and play with it and just kind of extend and expand my shimmer game. I'm a shimmer addict through and through, so I think this is just really going to help this, and I'm super excited for this. And then I have this box right here to go through with y'all. One thing about Unearthly that I absolutely love and adore is their boxes. I have a bunch of them like right there. They're up on my thing. I keep most of them as a hoarder that I am. But there's 2 here that I'm going to be keeping, and my husband's just gonna have to deal with it. You don't want to see it? Get me a makeup room rather than having me film in our bedroom. I digress. But anyways, I got the Just a Taste highlighter. It is just, like, look at her. I know how everybody talked about this when it like first came out, and we're all just like, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited to play with this though, and it's just, I'm waiting to use this until I get the Just a Taste palette, which I will be getting. That's the one that I was talking about. It's just going to take a bit. It's this one right here. I'm pretty sure I did order it. I'm pretty sure. I know myself. I'm probably freaking did. You know, I somehow, there was a sale, and then I got a code, and then I think my code took off more than it should have. So I kept adding stuff. You know? But then I ended up picking up the Daily Grind palette right here. Again, this is the box. I freaking love how, like, amazing their packaging is. Like, I just feel so safe when I get stuff from them because it's all this, and then it's still in the box to get into it, you know? Like, I freaking love it. But this is the Daily Grind palette. I'm super excited for this. I'm going to pair this with the strawberry milkshake palette that I have from them that is in this 9-pan. I am just super excited for this. Like, this is gorgeous. It's so pretty. And because I just ordered this one, and I feel like it's kind of in a sense along the lines of their newest release, whatever one, I'll pop it up in here. I didn't feel like I needed it, and I'm just really excited to play with this one and to have more Unearthly in my collection. I did end up picking up the remastered version of the Not So Normal packaging, like palette. It's that type of day. It's that type of day. Yesterday was a better type of day. I about got in like 4 different car crashes yesterday. So there's that. But yeah, like I said, I really love the boxes. I'm going to keep this one. I want to look like her, you know? This is just stunning though. Like, look at them. I want to be them. This is the Not Normal, like I said, remastered version. It is just stunning. I'm super excited to play with this. Again, like I said, it's just freaking stunning. It's beautiful. There's just so many gorgeous things in here. Like, Impulsive right there is speaking to me. It's saying dirty things to me, and I really want to do that. And I'm thinking like something like right here. I can see things. I'm loving it. I also really want to pair this with the Gargoyle palette because I feel like this and that would just be a gorgeous time. And I will do some neutralish looks with this bitch because I feel like I kind of have to. But yeah, I'm super excited for all these things. I think that covers all of it. I don't think I went too overboard, but maybe I did, but I don't know. You know, like, I know myself. I don't feel like I you know. But I also know myself and I'll probably end up ordering some more because I have no self-control right now, you know? If you made it to this point of the video though, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys for being here, checking out my content, just being a part of my channel here. It just means the absolute world to me. So just thank you so incredibly much. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. It is 2025. Put your head out of your ass and do freaking better. And remember to take enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, good information to be learning, and just always trying to improve yourself. It just do good, okay? Just do some good. Do some good for others. Do some good for you. Again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. It means the world to me. I love doing this. I love that you guys enjoy my content. It means the world to me. Yeah, I love doing this. So just thank you guys so incredibly much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.